ever wondered about the resilient history of the Mau Mau? Let's dive in. The Mau Mau, a bold movement in 1950s Kenya, fought against colonial rule. Bravery defined their struggle, and unity fueled their cause. Facing adversity, they sought freedom and justice, leaving an indelible mark on Kenya's journey to independence. Now imagine trekking through Karura Forest, headphones on, reliving their stories. It's not just a walk, it's a journey through history. So, without further ado, join me on this unique adventure as we walk, listen, and honor the Mau Mau's legacy. Stay tuned for an immersive experience in Karura Forest. Hit subscribe and be part of history.
Oh, they're doing the thing. I remember even always forget.
Hi, I'm Elvis, and today we're going to be diving into the heart of Karura Forest for a journey like never before.
Right now Zanja ana tense kwa sababu everything we go through all the time. The life of a movie star. Anyway, we've made a new friend later. Justin Kimathi. He's part of the crew. Kimathi Mau Mau. You're part of the Kimathi Mau Mau. Oh, they don't Kimathi. By the way, maybe as part of the crew. You've attended these past events, India?
Yeah. Lastly, we were at Guru Park during the Nairobi Fest.
Nice.
Audio film. Basically, we put painting and portrait painting. First of all, we trek to any trek for forest to discuss that this film is therapeutic, man. So, you can channel start by there.
Yeah. About change the channel now.
This is like channel 1, channel 2, channel 3.
How's it so far, bro? Hey, bro, so far. Wow. First of all, everyone who had a hoodie, imeshatolewa. Yep. Tulikuwa tunasema juu itoke, but right now, it's still like kind of cold juu imetokea kiasi. And I just, me hata niko thankful today it was raining. If you hear this story of the Mau Mau, I think like Zanja, hata nitachukua tu kamera wote ongea. Because najua hongi tena tu hii maisha.
I swear, I feel like I might have been even there.
What we learned in school, okay, I don't know about what school you went to, but in the system I went to school, it was just about particular figures, especially Kimathi and like 2 other guys next to him. But you see, the truth is, for Kimathi to be Kimathi, there are so many other people down here who make Kimathi be Kimathi.
Our journey takes a colorful turn. Emerging from the historical echoes, we find ourselves in a tranquil picnic setting.
I just need to get your reaction.
Very interesting. Well, a lot is happening. I see the vision.
Okay,
you see the vision.
Like the hashtag. Let me see your painting.
Yeah, that's why, genius.
Too great.
Well, this was a terrorist organization that didn't just defend themselves from specific acts, but initiated acts of terrorism. Do you favor that in this country?
No, I think that the conditions that prevailed in Kenya forced the Mau Mau to take action. And any action that they took, even though it seemed that they were initiating it, actually it was a defensive action, and it was a reaction to the colonial powers that were exploiting them.
But do you favor such an organization here?
Does white America favor the Ku Klux Klan or the Citizens Council? And as long as the government, police bodies, do nothing about the existence of white terror groups that are terrorizing blacks, then it's time for blacks to do whatever is necessary to put these white terror groups in their place. And I feel that a Mau Mau could wipe out the Klan in the north, south, east, and west, and wherever it exists. I'm not against the idea at all.
Yeah, you make me feel so good.
Don't miss out on the adrenaline, history, and good vibes. Hit that subscribe button and join the journey.